Let's see how we can implement and execute the BrowserStack plugin through Jenkins. We'll start with installing Jenkins on my machine using the Jenkins war file. We'll be using the command java-jar and the war file location. I will copy the admin password generated here, which we will be using later. Now let's open localhost port 8080 on our browser to confirm if Jenkins has been deployed. We'll be using the admin password from the previous step over here. And then we'll select Install Suggested Plugins. So the Jenkins deployment has now been completed. Now we'll be configuring the desired plugins through the Jenkins dashboard. We'll go to Manage Plugins, and then under the Available tab, we'll search for the required plugins. We'll first add the BrowserStack plugin, followed by the TestNG Results plugin for report generation. We'll also be adding the HTML publisher, and finally the Maven integration report. Let's now install these plugins. Once this is completed, I'll go to Credentials to add my BrowserStack username and access key so that Jenkins can trigger the tests on our behalf. I'll first authenticate my credentials to verify the same and then add them. Let me also go ahead and add my GitHub credentials since my test script is stored on GitHub. I will now go to Global Tool Configuration to configure the Maven. We'll be using the mvn command. Let us now click on New Item and create a new Maven project. We'll name it TestNG Sample. I'll copy the URL to my GitHub repository where I have saved the test script, which I'll paste over here, and also over here. Under Build Environment, we'll select BrowserStack as that's where we'll be executing our tests. Under Goals and Options, we'll mention test-p parallel because we're going to be running parallel tests. We'll also add a post-build action to publish HTML reports. Over here, we'll specify the HTML directory to archive our reports. BrowserStack also gives you the option to embed BrowserStack reports directly to Jenkins, which we can select over here. This option is only available with testng and JUnit frameworks. We'll just go through the project configurations once again. And now we'll save this project, which will trigger the job, the progress of which we can see over here. When we click on this, we can see the job being executed. The test execution is now completed. We can view the HTML reports over here. And through the latest test results, we can access the BrowserStack dashboard for this test.